Welcome. In this video I will tell you whether you can connect your Black Shark Pad 7 to a monitor using USB-C. So unfortunately this tablet doesn't support HDMI or DisplayPort connections, therefore we will not be able to use wired connections. But if you want to mirror the screen of your tablet to your TV or your monitor, then you're gonna have to make sure that if it's your TV, it supports the screen mirroring feature. Most devices with Google TV do. And if it's an external display, then you have to make sure that it supports wireless display feature, which is quite rarer feature to support by many monitors. Many TVs support this feature, but not too many monitors. And on your tablet, you just have to make sure that you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network that your TV is connected to. Then you have to enable the screencast feature by tapping the pencil icon underneath your control center, finding the screencast right here, and dragging and dropping it on your control center. Then you can start the screencast by tapping right here, and if you cannot see your TV or a wireless monitor, tap settings, tap the three dot icon in the top right corner and make sure to enable wireless display, and then check once again. And this way you'll be able to cast your device's screen to an external display. Unfortunately, nothing else will work for this tablet. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.